Hello, you are listening to an article from webmobile.com. Webmobile, with a Y, provides quality, people-centered, professional mobile app and web development services with globally competitive pricing. The title is The Power of Iteration, Fueling Business Growth Effectively. In the ever-evolving landscape of business, one concept has proven to be a game-changer: iteration. The ability to iterate, to make incremental changes and improvements over time, is a powerful driver of growth. Businesses, whether startups or established corporations, share a common goal: growth. Growth can mean different things, from expanding market share and increasing revenue to reaching new customer segments. However, achieving growth in today's dynamic environment is no simple task. That's where iteration comes in. In this article, we'll explore how iteration fuels business growth effectively, why it's essential, and how you can harness its potential for your own enterprise. What is iteration? Iteration, in the context of business, refers to the process of making repeated, small-scale improvements to products, services, processes, or strategies. It involves a continuous cycle of testing, learning, and refining. Unlike innovation, which often implies radical changes, iteration is about making gradual and deliberate progress. Iteration versus innovation. It's important to distinguish between iteration and innovation. While both are vital for business success, they serve different purposes. Innovation involves groundbreaking ideas, disruptive technologies, and entirely new products or services. Iteration, on the other hand, fine-tunes existing elements to optimize performance, user experience, and efficiency. The iterative approach in business. Embracing an iterative mindset is crucial for sustainable growth. The iterative approach involves 1. Continuous improvement. It's about consistently seeking ways to enhance what you already have rather than starting from scratch. 2. Adaptability. Iteration allows businesses to respond swiftly to changing market conditions, customer feedback, and emerging trends. 3. Reducing risk. Incremental changes are less risky than major overhauls, as they're easier to control and measure. 4. Customer centricity. By listening to customer feedback and iterating accordingly, businesses can better align their offerings with customer needs and desires. The role of feedback. One of the cornerstones of iteration is feedback. Feedback provides valuable insights that guide the iterative process. The importance of feedback in iteration. Feedback can come from various sources, including customers, employees, and market data. Each source offers a unique perspective on what's working and what needs improvement. 1. Gathering customer feedback. Direct input from customers is invaluable. It reveals pain points, preferences, and expectations, helping businesses tailor their offerings. 2. Employee feedback and internal iteration. Employees on the front lines often have valuable insights. Encouraging their feedback fosters a culture of continuous improvement within the organization. Analyzing and incorporating feedback. Effective iteration requires more than just collecting feedback. It's about acting on it strategically. 1. Strategies for effective feedback analysis. Implement data-driven analysis techniques to identify trends and patterns in feedback. Tools like sentiment analysis can be particularly helpful. 2. Implementing changes based on feedback. Translate feedback into actionable improvements. Prioritize changes that will have the most significant impact on customer satisfaction or business outcomes. The iteration toolkit. Successful iteration often relies on the right tools and methodologies. Tools and methodologies for effective iteration. Here are some resources to consider. 1. Agile methodology. Agile is a project management approach that promotes iterative development and collaboration. It's commonly used in software development but can be applied to various business processes. 2. Lean startup principles. The lean startup methodology encourages rapid experimentation and iteration. It's particularly helpful for startups seeking product market fit. 3. Design thinking. This human-centered approach to problem-solving emphasizes empathy, ideation, and prototyping. It's an effective framework for iterative product and service design. Technology's role in enabling iteration. Technology plays a pivotal role in enabling and streamlining the iterative process. 1. Software and tools for data analysis. Robust data analytics software allows businesses to extract valuable insights from customer feedback, market trends, and performance metrics. 2. Automation in the iterative process. Automation tools can speed up repetitive tasks, freeing up resources for more strategic aspects of iteration. Overcoming challenges. While the benefits of iteration are clear, businesses may encounter challenges when implementing this approach. Common challenges in implementing iteration. In order to successfully iterate, we need to be aware of the challenges, some of which follow. 1. Resistance to change. Some employees or stakeholders may resist iterative changes, especially if they are used to traditional, stable processes. 2. Resource constraints. Smaller businesses may face resource limitations that impact their ability to iterate quickly and effectively. 3. Balancing stability and innovation. Striking the right balance between maintaining stability and fostering innovation can be a delicate challenge. Strategies to address these challenges. Identifying strategies like the ones below will help in overcoming some of the challenges encountered when iterating. 1. Change management techniques. Effective communication and change management strategies can help ease resistance to iterative changes. 2. Prioritizing iteration efforts. Recognize that not every aspect of your business needs constant iteration. Focus on areas that will have the most significant impact on your goals. Measuring success. Iterative processes need clear indicators of success to evaluate their effectiveness. Key performance indicators, KPIs, for iteration. It is crucial to always monitor the iterative process through the following approaches. 1. Metrics to track business growth. KPIs such as revenue growth, customer acquisition rate, and market share can show the impact of iteration on your business. 2. Monitoring the effectiveness of iterations. Analyze how specific changes correlate with improvements in KPIs. For example, if you've iterated your website design, track metrics like bounce rate, conversion rate, and time on site. The importance of flexibility in goal setting. Iteration often leads to discoveries and shifts in strategy. Therefore, it's crucial to be flexible in your goal setting. 1. Adjusting goals based on iterative insights. If your iterations reveal new opportunities or challenges, be willing to adapt your goals accordingly. This flexibility allows you to stay agile and responsive. Conclusion. In closing, the power of iteration in fueling business growth cannot be overstated. It's the iterative mindset, the commitment to continuous improvement and adaptability, that sets thriving businesses apart. As you embark on your journey to harness the power of iteration, remember the following key takeaways. 1. Continuous improvement. Iteration is about making incremental changes that collectively lead to substantial growth. 2. Feedback is your friend. Embrace feedback from customers and employees as a valuable source of insights. 3. Iterate strategically. Prioritize changes that align with your business goals and customer needs. 4. Measure, adapt, repeat. Use KPIs to assess the impact of iterations and adjust your strategy as needed. By applying these principles and adopting an iterative approach, you can position your business for sustained growth in an ever-changing world. The power of iteration is not just a tool, it's a mindset that can drive your business towards long-term success. So, are you ready to harness the power of iteration and fuel your business growth effectively? Start today, and watch your enterprise thrive through continuous improvement and adaptability. Also remember, in the world of business, it's often the tortoise, not the hare, that wins the race, and iteration is the steady path to victory. Want to hear some more from the WebMobile blog? Please subscribe. Thank you for listening to the article from webmobile.com. A subscription button is available at the end of each blog post. We would love it and also encourage you to leave your comment at the bottom of the page. Cheers, hope you listen or read again soon.